Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be teaching you how to make the Blackberry Cosmopolitan. First, add 4 to 6 blackberries to your cocktail shaker. Next, add a ½ ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Now muddle the ingredients. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite vodka. Next, add 1 ounce of Cointreau or triple sec. Next, add ice and shake until well chilled. Now pour into a Nick and Nora glass. Finally garnish with a lime wheel and fresh blackberries. And that's how you make the Blackberry Cosmopolitan. Cheers.